Welcome back to Tugger TV. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing and welcome to the Tugger TV family. If you're a long time subscriber, you know I got love and love alone to you. You understand? If it wasn't for you, who wouldn't there? I go and do the right thing. I want to motivate me, say, yo, go and push everything I do. Just do the best. Best. Always. You understand? But before we go into the movie, I'm going to ask you something. We're going on a trip in December, but I'm looking some sponsors to sponsor the plane ticket. So if anybody out there have a little change of $50, you know, can send grass to donate towards this flight to Panama City in December. So we can go over there. Everybody else will be joining. Popeye, Kayla, some other people where you know, but they're asking for sponsors as well. So I'm here asking for anybody out there who can sponsor this trip for me. I would really appreciate it. Right? So if you have a little change, can donate. Just contact this number on the screen, 804-5738. Understand? Or you go in the description and you see a next number. Probably it's the number on the screen where I see right now. You get me? So if you can reach out to me and we can exchange info so certain things can happen. So if you can donate, hit me up on the number as me say. The trip is in December. Everybody is going to Panama City. So if you can help me out, please and thanks. And if you know Tugger, we never go on a plane yet. You understand? Yeah, we dream too, enough time. But who they can make this possible? You just hit me up on a number. You understand? So going on the movie name, choose wisely. Yeah. Bless up everybody. If I get a boss, I go get a green card and a gun. Okay. Hello. Hello. Me I go on the road. I will look at work today.
What?
I'm going on the road to go look at work.
Oh, what time?
Because I can't live so. Every day, I have to eat antomo. When I get the money from auntie, I can't bother with this living now.
But what time you go work? Go early, be?
No, I need to go there early. It's an early bird get the something more than early. I remember, but we have to go there early.
Tell me can't be
We have to do all the early bird time early. So any business place up in I need work and me first day there.
So baby, I tell us the things are slow, things are one at a time. We'll get through this in August days.
No, it get to me and now. I need a breakthrough. And you just get up every day. You just a nyam. Yeah, put on weight, look at me. Look at me. So when you cook 10 dumplings and I get 2, you never rest. Sometimes I sleep and go back in there. Change your mouth everything.
So you expect me to have more money?
See you cook a gravy left in the pot. I'm hungry if get food for God. And the breakfast there. So I have to go now and beg my auntie.
So what you expect from me? Me not to eat? That I try to say?
Me never see enough to eat, but you eat too much.
Me not.
Stop eat too much. Me not have money to sustain you.
So I can't deal with this when you slim? You want me slim? You want me
When
stop
you come
eat?
in, you never stop big, you know.
You want me to stop eat? Can me do anything for you, know? I tell you want me stop eat.
You can't still not do that.
Yeah, me stop eat if you want me stop eat.
Cause what day you cook macaroni and cheese and you say, me not take that, babes. Not. When me asleep, you think me say, you gone it, see?
But me did hungry. What you did want from me did
Me see you.
hungry. Me did
Why
hungry.
you tell me you not me and you still me?
Alright, me won't eat anymore. Stop arguing with me not, me know you're lying to me and everything, so you
I will
can't
make
go and
for you want this big old bowl and like, you can't take it. You have to look at her. You can't take it. We need money to
But it's too early for you to work. Only down now, it's too early. Feel go for the road. You not even reach, me not think you reach 6:30.
At 5:30 now when me a go.
I go to early if you go look work.
Going out there to work. Any work me get today,
Alright, go on.
get money.
It good,
Yeah.
It good, go on.
You understand me? I said, like me at this or anything.
Yeah,
because
me
me love you.
know you're not this. You never this me. Me a queen.
But if you just tone down on the food, you get me? I say?
More.
I soon come back, yeah?
So early, go at 7 o'clock.
Me I go out there now. Early bird get the most warm.
Alright, no matter, cause I know you're like come. Let me
Alright.
see you later. Buy more chocolate for that come back.
Me said tone down if damn chocolate I will get bigger. That's crazy.
Eu tenho que me apagar, né?
Good day. It said really.
I'm not sure we're realizing that
I do come and show. You see over and this way I walk and I say it's a nice food, you know.
Thank
Come over
you.
there, come this way, you know.
Blessings, thank you.
Call me Toga.
Hello, I'm Shaz.
Nice to meet you, Shaz.
Nice to
Shaz
meet
or Shan?
Shaz.
Okay. Nice to meet you. You travel.
Yeah, man, I travel. I'm an international woman.
You're a black American?
Well, I was born in England, but I live in New York now.
Right.
Yeah, I live in New York, my business in New York.
It's a businessman thing. I look on property. I walk. So I'm here saying I don't really like walking, but I like walk and see some place to buy. I'm open a supermarket from the beach. Yeah.
Well, you own businesses?
Yeah.
I never see it.
Food restaurant and so. You know?
Okay. How long have you been doing that?
3 years now since the next school inherit some money from his grandparents and so he just turn it over, you know?
And invest it. Nice.
So you get in a business.
Me, I have a crochet business. Well, I have a brand. I have crocheting. I have a shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So I'm Shaz of Shaz my name. Yeah, man.
Going good.
Yeah, I have my brand as well. So this is a relaxed time. I have a
Oh yeah,
people
you're on
working.
vacation.
Yeah, all work and no play.
You're married?
Well, I keep this on just to keep some people who I'm not
okay.
interested. I'm not really. It's just you know.
Yeah, man, so me I search for somebody to grow with an identity, you know? The Jamaican girl I love. They will get some money and then they live for a period of time. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, depend on your style, more somebody has to grow with, you know?
Yeah, that you can invest in.
Yeah, spend some
your
money
efforts in.
and then spend back some money for me and then we just put it to something and grow together.
Yeah,
And
man, that sounds good. That sounds good. It's hard to find though. It's really hard to find. That's why when you find somebody who is, you know?
Woman or 20 real.
Definitely.
Pure. You get me? I'm going to want to property still and stuff. And then I said, oh, let me check the number in
Yes, definitely. Definitely. So where are you looking at all these properties then?
Yeah, walk from the beach, man. Them say several property up on the beach. I sell with 23 million. Well, you don't really want to spend nothing big. You don't want 25 look.
25
Below
million.
25 million.
Million?
Yeah, minimum.
Yeah, man.
You see name again?
Shaz.
Shaz, nice Shaz.
Yes. Make sure you keep in touch. I know of a few places up West End where you can go together.
You can go together, man.
Yeah,
You link up on anything. So walk and look and see what's going on.
Alright, link me when you're ready to look. I'll come with you because I know a few places. Blessings. Alright, bless.
This is a green card opportunity. Yeah, make this a miss up. The same man, so we get away. Look on outside. What's going on?
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, man.
You good? Yeah, man, giving
This is going
thanks.
easy, you know?
Giving thanks.
Call her earlier on, we don't want to go there, look for one property, but I tell me something about 30. I said, yeah, money there. I say yesterday at 25. I'm really sure about that one, you know? So, think you're enjoying yourself?
Yeah, man.
But not rob you, you know?
Oh, God, no. No, nobody, man. No one not take this.
Go and do it, you know?
Yeah, but you see, when they tell you, if you link me for come with you, you wouldn't know how to talk to me.
Oh. The show when I get up and I just shoot out, so.
And so you
the
deal
man
with
just
things.
move, you know. Just watch my face and just get up and just roll up on the road right now. You understand? For a business place, can make sure everything up and running, you know. Like cut off for one of them last night, but we never really cut off by JPS. Like some electrical fiber, wiring and
Yeah.
stuff. But we start out and now still, you know. I'm worried, look a bit.
Don't worry, be happy.
It's a nice day. It's a breeze out.
Yeah, man. Beautiful day. Everybody can sunbathe. Me a sunbathe too. So send me a ease off and go the vibes on your weights.
Natural vibes.
Yeah, man. Live life to the max.
I think that we can go on.
Oh, you feel left, yo.
Come here. Can I come there?
Okay.
Yeah, go there.
Come on. Come on. What hour?
You feel like a woman here over here with woman. Who that?
You may say a big city. The green card. Me a look out.
Green card?
Yes.
Yeah, me look all I want that green card here.
Man, me a big. This I go help me and help you and help mommy and help everybody. To me get through with this opportunity here.
Make sure.
You just have to hold your mouth. I've got this and this. But no worry about it. You know me, I'm a woman and she love me and me love her. But you know,
You tell her about it?
you know where you go.
How will you look for over there, sir?
I'm a friend named man. So yeah, me love her.
Woman bumper. No, your friend that.
You me I say.
Yes,
Love me woman
chat.
and she love me but I'm happy with her.
Make sure say you remember your woman, but you want green card. You sure say you have green card? Take it.
But no worry about it. Me I worry about No worry about that. Go on,
Say,
yeah?
eh?
Go on now.
You forgot
Take care. Where you do on the beach? Where you do person?
why you are the fire?
You may take care of some business.
Me I take care of some business. That better be
Go on.
Come
Go
here,
on,
boss.
juice.
Yeah.
You soon buy a juice.
It's up. You look more green than I have like with dollar in your package. No call she me man, I'm sure say not dismiss the woman because I'm a friend. Don't this her.
Nah, I love her.
So you love her woman, they give her a bun. You don't really need one green tea. I love it everything. Love it everything you want.
I relax. Walk, go here.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Go on.
I was the woman.
No, sir, my sister, man.
Okay.
Big sister, the small sister, man. Small.
Okay.
She just go and check this out, man. Obviously, she have to make vehicle.
So she just run with something.
No, man, we tell her to go and wait like vehicle. So, attention, you know.
So I can come with you and do little movements with you and your sister.
Oh,
You have free time, you know.
No, because you see, the business place is kind of hectic, and also, so inspector people come here, give them a club license, then to come inspect the place, so we can start doing certain things. So, they make my sister go help out on the things, and I have one bag of running up and down, you see it?
Yeah.
Can't go and walk and talk to the...
Yeah, man, definitely. So this is a club, it's a nightclub.
Yeah, day and night thing.
Okay. I get VIP pass.
Yeah, man, you never come through, man, into a thing.
Sister Ella. Come on. No, I can't look for you. How are you, Mandy? Oh, in their work. Which work? My man, their work, girl. How are that supposed to mean? What you laugh about? You're sure it's working on? I'm sure I'm working there. What kind of work? You know, say man deal with some business. What kind of business you could have deal with? He said yesterday and get it home. Yesterday? Yes. So I'm not sure what kind of work, but I know my guy work. I'm sure of that, girl. I want Nothing at all don't happen. I just can look to see if I really working yet. Then I could have what else in get. No, you're a man. You must know. I like that. That sound like you know something. I don't know nothing at all. I don't know nothing whatsoever. Oh, sure. But anyways, in their work, I saw him there wait for him to come in. I don't know if it take so long. Work. I just hope everything alright with you and you're well and everything. You're well. So girl, are they here? Yes. Finally. Yes. And they look thirsty. They past few days them. I tell you. They just look dry and thirsty. You don't watch my head, you watch your man. But me I watch my man, but my man they are working comfortable. Make sure. You come like you come with some sort of problem. No, my brother saying now. You can't tell me nothing about my man. My man and look bad. You sure about that? I'm sure of that. 100% sure. 100%. Put your head on the block. Head on the stone. They could have chop off my neck and see him where me believe in him. He not do nothing. I think I'm brother than the idiot. What are you? What me idiot with? Can you say you put on your head pan black for man? Never yet do that. Don't do that. Girl, me love me man. So me know if you're fucking this me. You know no reason for this. So what you talk about? Where you come here for with this type of your own brother? You try turning woman man against him? No. We don't do that. Then what you do then? Me I try wise up you. Wise me up against your woman. You try mash up your relationship. I try mash up your relationship. Mash up your relationship. Just look out your yard. No, me no need to look. Look out your yard. My man perfectly fine, okay, and he not give me no problem. Remember say you can't reach out, you know. So you feel mind anything what you do. No making fool yo. How you try to say me dunce? Me a no idiot girl. Me know if you fuck my man love me. He spell rat. Spell rat. Spell it. You don't know nothing. You're not me know you. Spell it then. Me know you. Spell it. Just leave me out. Let me out. No, never left me out. I don't know where you're from. You come here with your one baga. I don't know what my brother. You come and tell me about my man. Me know my man alright with party there. I know he love me and he care for me. Me I'm not idiot. And you are saying you can't find a good man. Leave from here, so man. You want to come turn me against him. That's my man. My man is up on a vacation. I'm just cannot find him at the moment. You know, that's why I need to go find your man. Go find a man and I worry about my man. My man will not give me no for my bun. You're crazy. Man, alright. Man, we're good. I really understand.
Baby! Baby!
Yes, babe.
Yes. Even.
Oh, me get a tree back door.
No, I told me walk around and back up all the leak.
Where you come from?
Me.
Oh, where you come from?
Work today on the beach. To me run out the farm Mr. this morning. You know, remember me come late and I don't want to lose work. When I run out, let me jump up, let me see somebody just run out.
So make your sister make it seem like your sister.
What she say?
He come here today, I look for you and I ask and I tell me say if me sure say you're gonna work. I mean know if you're fucking not this.
Probably I so she want from me.
No,
beg.
No, she didn't say you're sure saying gonna work. I will make she didn't do that. Cause me know if you have like you not this me not no style. You not style.
She don't like when me happy. And me tell mommy when she grow up she just jealous.
And that me realize so you have to cut her off you cause me can't take them something and me don't want nobody bad mind me for my relationship. Me tired of bad mind people, brother.
I tell her so when me there, don't come up here.
Exactly.
Don't come up, don't step foot in the yard.
Like I don't know say my man loyal to me.
You know that already.
Like completely. Me know me not no question about that.
Me I gonna make it point of my duty to man. Tell her don't come back over me yard.
Right. Me don't want to.
When you're alone there, don't come. None talk.
None talk.
Cause she want to come back and turn her mind.
He can't turn me mind against you. Cause listen, let me tell you this. You're the most loyal man never come across.
The most loyal.
You come home on time. You show me text where you text with people and me read them.
And everything.
And everything. Me read them where you say you rate the person. You say you rate the person as a bestie and a best friend and it's something. I mean, understand the situation there. Yeah, cause me know you're loyal to me. You have one girl in your phone by the name of what? I can't remember her name right now, but I know say that girl there and you know nothing.
No, friend.
Of course. I'm an idiot. You can't read.
How you cook?
Babe, I cook. I don't remember.
Remember you cook? Get cook bully beef for my time I get it sick.
I don't cook, I remember. I know like when cook something nice for you.
I get it.
I know I cook something nice for you.
Let me this I'm going to share the food then.
Send on my phone for?
I just have my call one.
To who?
Somebody important. You heard my boss. Check on the boss. One check on the boss. And my boss not.
So how work got today? You did go alright and everything?
Good, you go good man. I soon tell you about one man.
Alright, yeah. Go share the food.
Yeah, good night. Yeah, I just reached you know. Yeah, it was a good day, yeah. Enjoy yourself. Okay. Well, I'm going to try and make it better. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'll call you back, alright? In the morning. Alright.
How would that be?
Hmm?
How would that?
I'm the boss. Can't tell me say me do good today.
Eh?
Boss, I tell me say me do good today.
Oh.
And I tell me say me should get up more early and so and come and work.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
You understand me, don't?
You don't never do that, babe. So come on, man, stop going.
No, because our body alone you want, don't it?
The body they alone and for me.
Right.
I feel that.
No.
Yeah.
It's alone, don't it?
Alone.
No, I'll get the food.
Get it. You want me to give it no girlfriend? Because that's a mistake.
Hey.
What's going on?
Oh, it's around here. How are you?
Yeah, me just rush out now to put on anything. Just rush to me have a house on the beach, yeah. Just rush out.
I love that. Eager. Listen, I've got a proposal for you. I was looking for somebody, you know, who is perfect for this and love how you talk. I love your ambition. Look how you serious about business.
I got everything going on, you know.
Yeah, man. Listen, my friend linked me from New York, and we got big investment deal going on. All right, and the reason why I'm telling you this, you might be wondering. The reason why I'm telling you this is because the check for you, you know.
Yeah, man. You know, say I check for me and say you call me and ask me I'm good and you know. You say like what's going on. Connection.
In real life, you know, when things say, you should tie the knot. Because as much as I love Jamaica, it's New York the thing there.
Yeah, man.
I would have loved to tie the knot, send for you, I go back over and deal with this thing, send for you, and you get you your green card and everything.
Yeah, man,
by the time, I see what I say, I love the way you're talking, I just love your energy.
Green card.
You have to have them the kind of paperwork, you know, you have to deal with that system.
Still, you know, I don't really have a foreign mind still, you know, but like how you say, we just have to work with that, you know, get the green card and see what transpires from that.
Excellent. I love that. You know what? Certain things I have to do and certain things I have to tie up. And the business that I'm doing and the business I'm starting, the investors want everybody to put in a piece of footage, you know, show the seriousness and get this done. But this is fast money, you know. This is fast money.
You can just put in the money, man, and everything go through.
Yeah, man, yeah?
Yeah, man, you can deal with it.
Alright, well, it's 20 million of I need, you know.
We?
Well, me put in my piece, but we went with a bigger investment. You see, if we put it in like how we married, I will put in as a one investment, as one, like how, say like how you throw partner. You know, throw two hand better than one. So me put in my money already, but I want the best for you, because I see the potential you have in a tugger. I see the potential, and I want you to grow. Once you make the money, you know, if you're not foreign minded, you can go anywhere.
I see no matter of it. I'm say, I like bank transfer like that.
No, bank transfer. No problem. Can send you the details. But if you you know what, cash should have better. Cash should have better. Less traceability. This thing like move good. So then they give you the option to do whatever.
Yeah, man, I get no idea with you. Everything alright though.
Yeah, man, everything good, everything blessed.
I have a match man. 20. I pay the money that's 20 million. What happened?
That push me out.
You want something to eat? Stop me soon. Carry something to eat. Me soon get something.
We don't hungry. You get about 20 million. You have money? Where you get the money from?
It's a thing we are talking about invest. And she got invest, I think.
She got invest in you?
Yeah, me I go get it. Me tell them I get it.
We all get 20 million from.
And you hear that?
No, you don't worry about that. We all get it from.
I know me, she has.
Boy, you hear the woman say you run out. Left boot. Which work you do? Which work you do? All work you do? Tell me where get the money from.
Me go borrow me and take out investment loan.
Then you're not investment loan, you don't own no company, you don't own no business, you're not working job, so then I'll give you no money, so when you get the money.
Me go take out the loan, me go let me person sign some paper and do it.
Yeah, tell her what she sign the paper for.
She good man, she just sign the paper and me carry go give me one of my dog. I'm not checking yet, but you know say.
Make sure she read the paper, tell her because she can't read.
If like you don't want me girlfriend.
Where you get money from? Me don't want to say me where you girlfriend.
You don't want me girlfriend. You don't want me get green card.
Me never say that. What is
Every
that?
time me I get, where are the train or something?
What you know? Your woman say you run gonna work. So
No
you
work, me
good.
then me start.
This is not no work. So I know say up see your come. Cause you not look at your foot. You don't see me. Where you get money from?
We come out with
You get 20 million from me. You not no job.
you know, so me not care who me I go.
Me not business.
Anytime we get me green card, you don't ask me for nothing.
Look
Yeah,
where
me
you
I
are.
tell her, don't ask me for nothing, no
Listen to me.
shirt, no nothing, no blouse, nothing. Anytime me I come down,
Me
cause me I pack a barrel anytime me I come down.
You see look water is up? Me like the water what there. Me like the sun. Me like everything what there Jamaica. You know, broke my neck, God nowhere back can do. When you look where they go down, with part pay of $30.
Me I go make life, me I go land of freedom, me
Land of
free,
freedom.
me I go make pay money. You don't understand like
You are
that.
free like a bird and fly like a bird.
Your mind young,
Your mind
you don't
young.
understand.
Come on, young. I hear the nigga what I'm saying I no sense. You don't get too much money from. Make sure say I know who me think you go borrow money from go borrow money from me know. I we dead. Then we die.
Go on, I'll
You take
love
over
come
work.
out and be.
Say mama go on and that woman there at home. You sure say the woman there have money? But she say she have money. But she was sure you want money yet.
You have much business and brand and so. Go on, sister. If you just want, it's like me like from you want to hold me down. I want to hold me down in a
Me
guana.
don't hold back from danger.
I'm not coming, alright? Yeah.
Look how you look for now, right? You look for now, you tell her you own much business.
She just said she wants something to eat. I'm going to
Stop to say me hungry, I'm not hungry. Look how you tell her you own much business. And you don't own a business, you put up a shit and you say she own property.
Let's say
And
you
you don't own a
listen, man.
property. Look like me just know. You don't see that? Eh?
What?
Me don't want you know. When you top in a shit pit, no call me name, come in and help you. Oh.
One.
You just go like that, you never want you.
We soon come here, we just eat. Let's go and cook till me come. I just yeah, get to eat.
Okay,
Just yeah,
pretty mad.
10,000 to go eat something. Yeah,
So is that why she was mad at you?
yeah, man, I go back down still and come. 2 days time or something, I can get the money.
2 days?
Yeah, man.
The full 20?
Yeah.
Alright.
Full 20 million and everything not get.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And then I can let you start this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's get the ball rolling.
So, nice doing business. Yeah, man, we get in there.
Yeah, man, we're getting there.
And then we reach over so we just kickstart things. And
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Get the money and everything will start.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah,
So,
man.
I
Do
mean,
your thing.
anything, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Do your thing.
But I want my money from winning the money. You tap the yard and know you can't feel it. Now tap the yard again. Yeah, do it back there. What? And now you come here while I come. You're using a youth, you think you're easy. What that for it?
Yeah, man, you go come squeeze out the night.
Yeah.
Out them.
You're going to piece of work, you know, and make you chop out some piece. Right now, go for it now.
Oh, can be.
Eh?
Can be.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? What?
You mean?
Well, you know, you're a street boy, you don't want to chop no yard. You don't want to chop no rest.
I think me had this one. Me a own the work.
You know what I'm saying?
No, but and that really link up on it.
What one?
Yeah, I look at
Alone?
yeah. Really.
Like how much, sir? Come on, like, so when you eh?
I know for man, 20 million. That's what me invest in a
20 million?
yeah, really big.
Not so much. Me never make them money there. Can't help them. But I know somebody who can't help. Hold on, I know one man who can't help them. He's run a loan place. I'm a salary market. But that man now you have to sign over your life and sign over somebody else. Like.
No, but you see this?
Yeah.
Me I do.
Yeah.
It's a go work. So, and then it's not much like whole life or death or no. Because me not losing life.
So you're willing to sign over your life and
Me
make
not go
money?
dead too, but me I do I go work, so it don't matter.
Oh, okay. Alright, you can't give your number. You want your number? Listen to me. When I'm preparing, you know. When I'm preparing, you do it and him, they again.
I'm not serious, man. Anytime I borrow something from somebody, me make sure selling.
Alright, see number there.
How you go?
876
Yeah, me have that.
585
585
1433.
1433.
But I tell you something, give your number to you. Don't tell him to get your number. But I tell you something.
Yo, it's a big thing. Anything in case you go put, you can get a spin to.
Alright.
Forward.
Come on, new machine. New machine. They
Like
can.
rustic one.
Or waka. They don't know.
Forward to me buy a land, couple land.
No, I don't want a lawnmower, I waka. Well, lawnmower day is done. And cutlass days that kind of fade out like cassette. So
Just one different thing good.
yeah, I'm going to walk now.
We can't come again.
Yeah, forward.
Yeah,
Come now. Now I'm cutlass on some man. I'm glad
Ready,
to
man.
do it for our work.
Well,
I will asleep.
yeah, man, just falling the vibes and enjoy. How you do?
Yeah, man, just go on easy, you know?
You get through?
What them something and fly around?
At evening time on sunset.
Oh,
You get through?
nearly not get through, but me get through.
You get through.
Yeah, me get through. This close, but me get through, you know? And suppose if I'm not tonight, what do I say? If I'm not tonight, tomorrow me I carry.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow good?
Yeah, man, if it's tomorrow morning, 2 o'clock. Because as soon as you do it now, we can get the ball rolling and put in the investment and start it.
Last night me dream about foreign me. I said, Jesus,
Oh,
me a
God.
dream. Me don't know what they're looking at, but you know, I watch movie and then I dream. I said, foreign, here I come.
Dreams
Finally.
come true.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, when you get your green
I'm going
card.
to miss the business place they want to say about, you know?
Yeah,
Have to
man, but you
make
can always go and come.
investment
America with the money there, you know. Jamaican dollars,
there.
Jamaican dollars and monopoly money. So get your green card, come over, get your green card and do this investment and thing. And you're going to see how things are running. You can go back with them for a minute till you
Man, me like
leave your yard. Yeah, man. I like it too.
You like?
I love it.
So, how long you process will that take?
Right, all right now. So you're gonna give me the money tonight.
No, tonight or tomorrow.
Yeah, man. So we think positive. You're gonna give me the money tonight. All right. So once we get that now, we'll go and we give it to my friend and deposit it, and then buy some Bitcoin. When
Oh,
they buy
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin now and invest the Bitcoin, and that I got turn and give we double, triple. In no time. I'm in the middle of a bull run now.
Green card, man.
Oh, the green card thing, see, I thought the investor. Green card, you see what
No,
me
man, we
and you?
don't worry about money. Green card,
I
man.
like how you're talking. I don't
No
worry
worry
about
about
money,
money.
the right thing.
Yeah.
The green card thing now, all we have to do is we get my license and marry. Me and you get married now.
Yeah.
And thing, and we start the process. Me will go over ahead and
Then
file
I'll
for you.
come back.
Ah.
I'll come after you.
You have to stay here and do your medical and do hosted and comforting. So me again, man, it's a long process, but the sooner we start it, the sooner the better. So when
Yeah,
you
man,
give me
is
the
it
money
tomorrow?
later tonight,
Yeah, you know I'm pass, I get the money.
Yeah, man.
Where's the cash on?
Yeah, man.
Cash with a better,
Yeah, cash with a better.
Right, so when we done start to come and sign up some more paper. Yes, I make one of my sister also sign a couple paper card, you know? Yeah, I don't remember the word them use. I don't remember about something where you have to hold on for something for you can.
Oh, like guarantee.
Yeah.
Guarantor. Okay.
So I have 10 million, I have to get the next 10 million from the bank. You know, like, I don't have the money, you know, but I like.
So when you go get the other 10 million from the bank?
Yeah, tonight and tomorrow. Yeah, man.
Alright. You know, so you should round up everything, you know, because this is a surge. You can't lose with this, you know.
Yeah, man.
So they tell you to round up everything, and then you can buy one house you didn't go buy for 25. You can buy 2, 3 for 30, 40.
Any money?
Yeah, man. Sell your house, sell your car, sell everything except me.
Yeah.
Sell everything, man, and give me the money. We invest it.
So, like, I don't really like sell.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really like sell, but I get the money.
Yeah, man, we start off with the 20.
We call it, yeah?
Alright, yeah, man. Call me tonight when you get it, yeah?
Yeah, I go move now, yeah?
Alright. Walk good.
Yeah, man.
And walk careful with the money, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure you bring it.
Yeah, man, so what about it? Everything done? Good. You know, you know, top of the road, we got to try my son crying. Hold on there, just hold on the car. What I say? Come on, son. You know what I say.
Papa,
Yeah.
you know, I don't really come to man like a own, you know, because I don't want inbound from bang around. But the only reason I come to you is about my boyfriend. I find borrow the money from you and he couldn't have to pay back. I don't see him back, so I don't know when they. I would want him.
Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
So, what that's got to do with me?
Me know what happened to people who are home, you know. You think me an idiot? Is it me a fool?
From your boyfriend borrow the money in a plane, he took, you know, he not come back here.
You don't take no plane. You don't have no money to take plane. If you don't have no money to pay you back when you take plane, me an idiot? No, I'm a man.
No, listen. We don't run a man truck like this. So you know the best thing, you just go on where you go, yeah? Because listen, me not night with you. Your man come and borrow money, yes? I don't see my money back. And I don't see him.
You're more than him. You see him, like you see him. You have to do something to me, you don't know idiot.
So me have to do something to see him?
Yeah? You're an idiot.
Listen, you have disturbed my car right now, you can talk about me. What me I do? What me I do?
You don't know what you do. If me did him for me, I would do there just right now.
Keep it that way.
Man.
Listen to me. Check her later. I do for an important call right now.
When I check you later, I find if you tell me because I know say you can find me, I know how to find people, I know idiot.
You need to chat up your mouth. You know who you are dealing with?
I'm not idiot.
Try move. Before me not do what I want to. Move.
Make sure I come back and find money. Make sure.
Ray, you sure murder that good? Yeah, can you wanna just come out to me? Yeah, man. Alright, thanks. Everything good.
Hey!
Look out, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
Really look out, man.
Like this?
You see everything
Like this?
in the bag.
Okay.
Whole 20 million. You see?
Yeah, man, it's heavy for true.
Everything in there, the whole stack, everything. So, well, go.
You do the right thing, man. You do the right thing, right? So if I have this now, we can put it in the account and send it off. They'll get that. Today is what? Thursday. They'll get that. We do that before 4 o'clock. They'll get that today. and they
Okay,
can
thank
start
God.
the ball rolling from tomorrow.
Yeah, man. So you like need my passport and anything?
Yeah man, but what I'll do, I'm gonna start the ball rolling, and then I'm gonna get the form for you, to get the green card, for me have to get it for you, because I know I'm applying. So here we are. Like how time they on me, and I want to get it off action today. If I'm gonna leave soon, it'll go wait till tomorrow and then weekend and take long.
Oh yeah, you want me to come with you?
You're right, because it's boring. I'm have to phone him, and it's kind of funny with strangers. So let me make the link, do what I have to do, and then later tonight, we phone you.
So you now come back here, sir?
Yeah man, I gotta come back later, but me a phone you. You see once
You do wait for you?
Yeah man. Once we do it something, we'll link you.
Yeah man.
Yeah? Alright.
Yeah, wait for you.
Yeah man.
Watch the road.
Yeah man. Watch the road. Yeah man. Take care. The sun come.
Yeah man, watch the road.
Yeah man.
Foreign, see? Yeah, there, but dog.
I'm there with what things?
Yeah, I'm there for the church from morning, Ted.
Seeing. Brother, as I said, thanks for reaching and think
Yeah,
as
sure, I know I'm a real GC. I show up from morning, so I'm there for it. So much forward now, I just show it, I take off.
I understand, no worries, respect man. Here I go, you see. I know, so me someone that's just like, computer programming and so forth.
Yeah.
I get one to go work now, I have to go for a week, and it's like, only person I can think of who can help me out in this situation, I mean, I stutter. Is you, cause, my woman now is like, she kind of want like help to do certain things, like to get
move around and stuff.
Yeah, buy food and, maybe she want grocery.
Can't help her out, man. Can't help her out.
Yeah, man.
Cause you know, some of that man, me not too work, you understand?
Yeah, that I think so I help you out. If you can get a little extra food, cause he's a good youth.
Man.
He's a genuine.
No, no charge still.
No, man. This is no more charge, brother. I accept it as a gift from me. So me accept to do a favor to others as you others do. Exactly. So what I'm gonna do is make she call you, and then when she call you now, she can actually organize, when and when.
How long you plan?
1 week, brother.
1 week.
1 week.
But I trust me the woman still, you understand?
Yeah, brother, come on.
Say me not do no funny move.
No, man.
You understand? Come like that. I just a woman for know herself.
Nah, man, yo.
I watch her still for, you know.
Brother, respect. Me know, man.
Know herself.
Nah, man, my woman good. My woman in a certain thing. She not to watch TV certain time. She know in a social media kind of vibes. So a different kind of species.
They run tests for anything there.
Nah, man, I got me work with, man. Just me work with, so just show me and make me feel contented.
The woman me here say loyal still.
Yeah, man. No, man, listen. You say woman only not liar when you do them something. You have to give them a reason for. So you spend time on them, you give them all them need, like money, attention, rub them foot when they come in, when they call you, answer them phone call. Yeah, they not cheat on you like that. So my woman knows, me know so she not craving. Cause greed sometimes make woman cheat, Not that. She contented.
Just have to listen to you, because you all me have more experience.
Yeah, man, I tell you. So your girlfriend?
Say he's a man not to go road. Not yet still, but one day we find one.
Yeah, right, man, sure. Well, in that church, you ever find a nice church girl? Alright, girl,
yeah, that's my mother, as I say. But the church girl is bad and sneaking.
Rough.
I'm not really. I don't see nobody at church or not that one there.
You gotta find the right one.
Yeah.
You remember say Bob Marley sing a song there, one love, one heart. The reason why singing
What different is still? How much is plan for?
Yeah man, alright. Is it like
You really charge you know, you can't just buy me a drink.
me know, but is
Just
it
the one know a figure so
I get like a 40,000 brother for a week. You know what I mean? $40,000. That's what I
that good man.
yeah man, so she but from my man love for yam, she love to eat. So she go, busy and call and something. So maybe all one night we can even just jam there and thing,
No sir. Me not jam there.
Alright.
Me go up something.
Yeah man. So you are going?
Sleep long.
Me will shout you.
Unless a day me.
Exactly, respect man. Alright. That's what I trust you now.
Yeah.
Trust you bro.
I'm a G man, me not go past no limit, you understand?
So tomorrow then?
Tomorrow.
Me shout you. Me I give her your number now so she can call you and talk to you and then after that we move from there so. See?
So when you have 9 night or morning?
I left for 9 night man.
9 night.
9 night. That must make she call you and shout you. How yourself man?
Just call me same time now as I shoot out and just get everything in place. You understand?
Alright.
Bless up.
Yeah, man, everything level man. As I said it's work me I think about and how me will organize
and
things.
You're man, because fear type of work that
respect.
A long time God always.
Trust you trust you.
Yeah, man.
Respect, yes sir?
Alright.
And thanks for coming so late. Stop before night, so late night, yeah?
Yeah man.
Yeah. Sure about it, see? It's even though I'm so willing and giving and thing, I don't trust people officially 100%. So I know when you go and like you give in, don't call them certain time. When I want a man of me, that's the first thing.
Okay.
You understand? So if you call him, make him deliver everything outside. You understand?
Okay. So that not sound bad.
Yeah man, I don't trust everybody like that.
So basically, I ask that question so that he might have the number, right? Because if I'm going to deliver him, I have the number. So when you reach him, call me and tell him to say.
But babe, stop going to, so me make him call you.
Oh,
Him say man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know where, come on babe, make me start get worried a little bit. When you on the way now to come. When you're on the way if you come, go curb downstairs, I'm not in far when I reach. Yeah. So I'll make it on your way. But babe, give me 1 second, let me call man.
Alright, just leave it down there.
I could call and come. Yeah brother. Just I give one quick call before yeah man, she kinda sensitive. I'm trust you all the way through. You understand? But I just want to confirm before me bring her down here. She not really talkative and she not really look up in her face. So if she don't say nothing to you, don't make you feel like say boy she don't want you around her. Alright? Yeah man.
Public. Yo.
Oh, babe. See you in person.
Hello.
Yeah man. You see her before?
Yeah, first Wednesday.
First Wednesday.
I feel woman to come out.
Babe, this is my brethren. Togadan. It's my only Brittany. He know I need to talk about, so he go kind of anything I want, like if you want food and so forth, if you want to go down there town, you can drop out the car. You understand?
Yeah man,
so go.
Anything, my handy man.
So basically, you understand? So basically, I'm not gonna make you stress. Cause I know you go stress. No one say me a day I can help you, and the help I don't know what I'm to have this week. She just cancel upon me like that.
So, him I go deal with all of
yeah,
that.
Yeah man, me I do everything for now until Friday. Yeah.
Alright.
So any little thing, you call. If you want to tie the paper, you call me. And you understand? We just explain, so you can catch it.
Tell the people, can't too far still, yeah?
Oh, me just say examples.
No, everything too far. But everything alright.
She's a nice girl still, me, you know. She's nice. You understand how you love her. Understand?
I true, man. Yeah, man. So it's because I go left in the night, yeah. Because I'm call you and make you.
Yeah, man, me understand, man, because it is half in the night, so.
So, we talk, yes, sir?
Yeah, man, just call me. Even if ever I can call.
Yeah, anytime.
Yeah, anytime. I'll be available right through. The night, you will come out there. Yeah, yeah, cut, yeah?
Yeah, man, cut and go on, man. Yeah, man, respect.
Journey, you know.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you for taking up your offer.
Yeah, man. So when more I receive it,
we talk, man. We talk. What you say?
Alright.
I must have a number and I can call and talk to you. See?
When WhatsApp, I'm going to use this straight card thing.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
Yeah, man, respect. So later, you gotta take good care. No worries, sir. Yeah?
Hopefully.
No, man, good, man.
Right time come.
Well, you can't do that something man.
Sorry. Right time come, man.
What one?
There, man.
I'll go follow up with you. See how it is.
Nice, man.
You don't know the thing on.
I feel better, I'm going to check. Fear boy public. A long time high school. You might tell me, say, I'm going to go on a career. 1 week, I'm left with the woman.
Left you with you what?
The woman. And then none of them thing there, man. Public trust me, you know, say, me not fool around her.
Trust you?
Yeah, you trust me.
Me can't get my luck, can you? Yo.
When I want, she call me in a car, 40,000 she might pay me, you know.
You say?
For 1 week.
Hear me, I say.
I'm not really charge him still, just to buy me a juice.
Oh man, that good man. You know me, what you do for me? Cause I see me and the man, I know the man from high school, you know. I see in high school, they did have one pretty piece of Indian. Crystal, the boss. Oh my goodness. I say I love Crystal.
You know you love the Indian, brother.
Brother, I mean, I don't know from what are where this man I tell this Crystal in a be. Make the Crystal talk to me. She do make me say no matter how much roses, no matter how much love letter, me spray cologne pan and send go give her. No talk from me. I only feel fine up on the show. But she and my virgin, good virgin, no apart. But I say,
you take your girl.
From in high school, they love my heart. I know my heart now come back. The man take on my heart beat, my brother. Right now, me I tell you, say, but you what me want you do for me, though. Yeah, brother.
You really no bad.
No, man. Nothing bad. Nothing bad me I do, you know. Wait, hold on there. You love, you come over me and go eat food, don't?
Yeah, I'm taking.
And you want food, don't? So here what you have to do. If you want me cook food for you 1 year worth of free food, me I go give you. Every day evening you come, you get a plate of food. This is what you're going to do. I want one time you go to the yard. I want you to take your little time and you wiggle your way in, you see me? You know why you force on for that?
No, you do pull when you go over there. You have to struggle.
Me not talk that way to my boss. You talk like get team with her, get close to her, get to know her good. You know, make she trust you. Make she can't go in back to go
no trouble.
No man, he not go say nothing. He not go vex. Cause me never did vex when I take out my girl in high school. See me still living. Me have one heart left, but that instant me still living. So I don't need to do this, man. I want you get team with her. I want you make she trust you. I want you team with her good, you see me? I want you make it mash him up.
No, one she deal me good, me deal with her good. You understand? Says me go buy something for her, she tip me, so good.
Me not talk them way the bro man. And I saw the tip figure. Me want you give her the tip.
Oh, you want me to tip her?
Yes, you understand what I say? Tip her. Yes, man, want you tip her over and bend her over a certain way and put me in a certain position.
And make you just say that man, but public now beg still.
No, I tell you, but when him not know not gonna hurt him, it's only me and you and she.
Me, because I get food.
Only three we are gonna know about it.
True.
So me, I go have my little secret now upon him. I did mash me up, man. Remember, I have one heart left, you know.
Yeah.
Me have one over him when time this go down. But you see where you do? It's not how you do it. You have to come tell me immediately as it starts. You have to tell me about it.
We can go back over there tonight, no? I'm gone.
Even gone already?
you reach to the end of the movie, bless up yourself. I understand? Give thanks you watch the movie real to the end. You get me? And as we say in the front part of the movie, if you out there and can donate or sponsor this trip for me, hit me up on this number. I would really appreciate it. Alright? Bless up everybody. Hope everybody have a blessed weekend. Understand? Bless up. Toga, say that.